Hi, Base44 is an AI-powered platform that lets you build full-stack web apps from a single text prompts in minutes. It generates both the backend and frontend, offers instant hosting, and allows you to edit and export your code. The tool is great for rapid prototyping, MVPs, or internal business tools. However, the AI can sometimes lose context during long edits, and there are usage limits on free tier. If you need fast app development and value real code access, Base44 is a solid choice for 2025. And that's why I'm going to tell you some pros, cons, and best for using case for Base44. So, the pros include it's a text to app builder that creates full stack apps with UI, auth, DB, and API from a prompt in minutes and deploys instantly with built-in hosting. It also have a live editor with the chat to refine pages and logic. View, edit, or export code on paid tiers. GitHub sync, versioning reported by reviewers. Also, it has a clean responsive UX out of the box, good for prototypes, dashboards, and small business apps. Cons include the AI may lose context on long edits, requires reprompting or rollbacks, and it's not ideal for complex large-scale enterprise apps yet. Now, it also has usage or message and integration credit limit that costs scale with usage. Now, it also has a learning curve to get precise results, occasional miswired logic that needs manual fixes. Now, it's best for solo founders, product teams, and creators needing quick MVPs, internal tools, or proof of concepts with real code access. But before using, validate, export, or edit rights for the chosen tier, plan migration path if leaving Base44, and define prompts clearly and iterate in small steps to reduce AI context drift. So that was all about Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.